welcome to the next travel videos. On this channel, we review most interesting and unique attractions that are located in different parts of the world. If you like traveling and exploring new places, you can use this channel not only as a tool that provides useful information for your travel list, but here, you can also find useful tips that can enhance your travel experience and save your money and time. If you haven't seen our previous episodes that cover most popular attractions in Rome, Paris, Pompeii or other popular destinations around the world, please feel free to use links shown at the right top of this screen. Otherwise, you can also find many interesting videos by visiting our channel homepage, or using comments section down below. Now back to the main topic of this episode, which is to overview some interesting facts about the Pantheon in Paris. Let's start with a quick look into its history, and then we will briefly review some art pieces and architectural features you can find inside the Pantheon at present times. The Pantheon has a rich history and has served various purposes throughout the centuries. The Pantheon was originally commissioned by King Louis XV of France, as a church dedicated to Saint Genevieve, the patron saint of Paris. The architect Jacques-Germain Soufflot designed the building in a neoclassical style, influenced by ancient Greek and Roman architecture. Construction began in 1758, but Soufflot died in 1780, before the building was completed. The Pantheon's dome was the largest in the world when it was constructed, with a diameter of 43.5 meters, or 142 feet. It held this distinction until the construction of St. Peter's Basilica in Rome. During the French Revolution, the revolutionary government repurposed the Pantheon as a mausoleum for the burial of important French figures. The name was changed from a Church of Saint Genevieve to a Pantheon, which referred to a temple dedicated to all the gods in ancient Rome. In this new role, it became a symbol of the nation and its values. Over the years, the Pantheon became the final resting place for numerous notable French individuals, including Voltaire, Rousseau, Victor Hugo, Émile Zola, Marie Curie, and many others. The selection of individuals for burial in the Pantheon was often influenced by their contributions to French culture, literature, science, or politics. In 1851, physicist Léon Foucault conducted a groundbreaking experiment in the Pantheon to demonstrate the rotation of the Earth. He suspended a large pendulum from the dome, and as it swung back and forth, it appeared to change its direction of swing, effectively demonstrating the Earth's rotation. The Pantheon went through various phases of religious and secular symbolism. It was secularized during the French Revolution, but then again became a church under Napoleon Bonaparte's rule. In the later 19th century, the Pantheon was again secularized, reflecting the shifting values and beliefs of French society. The Pantheon underwent several restoration projects to maintain its architectural integrity and preserve its historical significance. It was declared a national monument in the mid-20th century. In modern times, the Pantheon continues to serve as a mausoleum for prominent French figures. The interior of the Pantheon is adorned with various sculptures, paintings, and inscriptions that celebrate the contributions of those buried there. The space is also used for events, exhibitions, and ceremonies of national importance. The Pantheon is a popular tourist destination in Paris, offering panoramic views of the city from its dome. Visitors can explore its interior, learn about the individuals honored there, and appreciate the grandeur of its architecture. One of the most notable artistic features inside the Pantheon is the series of frescoes painted by Hippolyte Flandrin. These frescoes adorn the walls of the central rotunda and depict scenes from the life of Saint Genevieve, the patron saint of Paris. The artwork showcases Flandrin's skill in capturing historical and religious themes. Pantheon houses the tombs and monuments of numerous notable figures from French history. These monuments often feature intricate sculptures and reliefs that pay tribute to the individuals interred there. For example, the tomb of Victor Hugo includes a statue of the writer surrounded by allegorical figures representing his literary works. While not traditional artwork, the Foucault pendulum is a scientific installation that can be considered an artistic demonstration of Earth's rotation. The Pantheon houses various sculptures and statues that celebrate important historical figures. For instance, there is a statue of Marat by Jean-Antoine and Jalbert, honoring the French revolutionary Jean-Paul Marat. These sculptures add a three-dimensional artistic dimension to the interior of the monument. The Grand Dome of the Pantheon is itself a remarkable architectural and artistic feature. The oculus, also called as central opening of the dome, allows natural light to illuminate the interior. The play of light and shadow adds an artistic touch to the space, enhancing the overall experience. The interior of the Pantheon is adorned with decorative details such as intricate moldings, columns, and other architectural elements that contribute to the neoclassical style of the building. These elements showcase the craftsmanship and attention to detail of the architects and artists involved in its construction. Throughout the Pantheon, you'll find memorial tablets and inscriptions dedicated to the individuals interred there. These tablets often include artistic lettering and designs that commemorate the achievements and contributions of these figures. The combination of frescoes, sculptures, tombs, and other artistic elements creates a rich and immersive environment within the Pantheon. Visitors not only have the opportunity to learn about the historical significance of the individuals honored there, but also to appreciate the artistic and architectural beauty of the monument itself. The Pantheon's history reflects the changing political, cultural, and philosophical currents of France over the centuries. It stands as a significant architectural landmark and a testament to the country's reverence for its historical figures and ideals. If you will get a chance to visit the Pantheon in Paris, let us know your thoughts and share your experience in the comments below. We would love to hear your feedback. We hope that you enjoyed this video and find it useful for planning your trip to Paris. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. This could help you to find next interesting attraction that you can visit on your next trip. If you liked this video, please do not forget to click on the like button located below this video. Also, if you are planning to go on a trip with your friends or other members of your family, feel free to share this video with them. If you will have any additional questions, feel free to post them in the comments section and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. We will continue sharing our experiences from visiting other major attractions around the world, and we'll share new episodes about other interesting attractions in Paris, so don't forget to subscribe and do not miss new episodes. Thanks again for watching.